Today I'm gonna show you how to make a grilled cheese. For the first step, you're gonna have some bread. So then you're gonna open the bread. And you're gonna grab
the whole side or just to the middle?
2 pieces of bread. One. I know that one was ugly. And then
Will you stop, Mama?
you're gonna grab another one. And then, yeah, you can, right. And then you would have to go to your toaster. You're gonna have to put them in there. 1 and 2. And then you would put it down. And while that is happening, you would go to your fridge, grab some cheese. That's why it's called a grilled cheese. Grab some cheese. And then you'd open the cheese. Simple step, open your cheese. Yeah, guys, you would open your cheese. You'd wait for that toast to be done. And then, you would have your cheese. You'd go into your pantry, grab a plate. And then, now you just, while you have those stuff ready, now you just wait for the toast to be finished. I guess while we wait, we just dance. 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 Let's go. Oh, the toast is done. Okay, so when the toast is done, you would grab it out. I'm gonna go grab it out. Be careful, the toast will be hot when you're trying to get it out of the toaster. Oh yeah, and be careful to not burn yourself. Okay, so then you would put your bread on your plate. Make it as straight as possible. Put it in your plate. Put the cheese in there. It's stuck. It's stuck. You see it? Got the cheese. Put it on the bread, guys, just like this. Then you get your other piece of bread. Put it on top of the cheese. And then you'd head over to your microwave. You would put it in there. Get this out. You'd put your grilled cheese in there. Close it. You'd press cook time. 15 seconds, and then you press start. While we wait, let's dance. Fortnite OG. So when it is done, it would look like this, guys. And now, you enjoy your grilled cheese. That is a tutorial how to make a grilled cheese, guys. So, that was fun creating it with y'all. Bye!